Let's talk about fear, that heavy feeling in your chest when you're about to speak up in a meeting. The sweat on your palms as you stare at an opportunity you're too scared to take. The voice in your head that says, "Play it safe. Don't embarrass yourself. You're not ready." We've all been there, but here's the truth. Fearless living isn't about erasing fear. It's about hearing that voice and choosing to move forward anyway. And today, I'll show you how. You won't find their names in history books. They don't have viral hashtags or red carpets. But these unsung heroes? They're the reason I believe ordinary people can live extraordinary lives. Like Maria, a single mom working 2 jobs just to keep the lights on. For years, she stayed in a marriage that crushed her spirit because fear told her, "You'll fail alone." But one night, she packed a bag, grabbed her kids, and left. No plan, just hope. Today, Maria runs a daycare for struggling parents, her daycare. Because she realized, the scariest prison isn't the life you're trapped in. It's the life you refuse to fight for. Then there's David. At 19, he was a basketball star. Colleges were recruiting him. Then, a car accident shattered his spine. Doctors said he'd never walk again. But David? He rewrote the script. He spent months learning to shoot hoops from a wheelchair. Not for fame, not for pity, for himself. Now, he coaches kids in his neighborhood, kids who think their struggles define them. David's secret? He stopped asking, "Why me?" and started asking, "What now?" Fear told him he was broken. He proved he was unstoppable. Let's get real. Fear doesn't care about your dreams. It's a liar. It'll tell you, wait until you're perfect. Wait until someone gives you permission. But here's what Maria and David know. Fearless living is messy. It's sending that email before you're ready. It's apologizing when your pride says, "Don't." It's failing publicly and saying, "Okay, what's next?" You don't need to be brave every day. Just today. Just this moment. Your unsung hero moment isn't in the distant future. It's now. It's the single mom taking online classes after her kids fall asleep. It's the guy with social anxiety finally joining a dance class. It's you hitting send on that project you've overthought for months. Fearless living isn't a grand finale. It's a series of tiny rebellions. Rebellions against doubt, against comparison, against the idea that you're not enough. The world doesn't need another perfect hero. It needs you, your messy, unfinished, wildly imperfect self. So the next time fear whispers, "You can't," remember Maria. Remember David. Remember the millions of quiet warriors who chose courage before they felt ready. Your fear isn't the enemy. It's the fire. And that flicker inside you? It's enough to light a whole new path. Be the hero of your story. Not tomorrow. Not someday. Today. And hey, we're all rooting